Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And today, little Monty's going to help us look at this, which should hopefully be issue number 219 of the ImagineFX magazine for the month of December 2022. So let's go and have a look at this one. So little Monty is still wearing his glove from the last time he opened one of these magazines. But what we do on these is we look at the 2022 ImagineFX magazines, and these are the ones we've had so far. And what I'll say is, I would say this has been a very strange year for covers, really. That's one of my favourites, that one. Yeah, there's been a lot of fun ones. The second half of the year has definitely been the best ones, I think. That's what I'm thinking. And I'll put links and everything in the description for each of these ones. But look at the last one. The last one was my favourite. Issue number 218. We had a beautiful cover there, look. So I don't think this one's going to be as good as that one. I think this issue is all to do with cards or something. Card art. Like creating art for cards like Magic the Gathering and things. Yeah, fantasy card art. Dun dun dun! Here, little Monty's let us in. That's quite a cool one, actually. Yeah, I can already tell that is my favourite. I don't think anything's going to beat that one this year. For me, that's like perfection. But in terms of the cover, look at that, look, boing. What I like about this one is the colours of it. There's a lot of aggression in that image. It's very cool. She looks a lot older. It's like she looks like a very old character to be sort of swinging about like that. But I kind of like that. I like the yellow as well. So this one here is done by Mike M. Fischer. The little Fischer. Yay, we got Proco on the back, look. We like Proco. So little Monty's going to let us in. This one actually reminds me a bit of the Dungeons and Dragons one as well. In that there's like a sort of a story with it. Some of them you get. Some of these covers are more sort of like full of character. Some of them are more full of story. So this one you're sort of thinking, what's she just done? Is she the good guy or the bad guy? But little Monty lets us in. Yay! Inside we go, look. You're just going to have to do this thing here. What I like to do is I like to cover up the website address. Just in case, because then I don't have to blur it on the computer. Rob, he's our editor, he is. Oh, I like this one. I like that one. That one. That one. That one. That looks nice. She looks cool. That looks cool as well. He looks quite weird, doesn't he? Looks like a lot of nice. Yay, comic art. That'd be cool. I hope that's the cover. Imagine that as a cover, like that sort of style. That'd be very like for me that'd be quite a memorable one. Imaginative creature design as well. So that'd be cool. That'll be the next one. These are our resources, look. We've got brushes. Yeah, they don't seem to do they don't seem to sort of do many resources anymore. Maybe it's because most people didn't actually go into it. Most people probably just want the magazine, I suppose. Beautiful. That's the subscription. Oh, see now this here, FX Pose. When you get something like this, it makes you want to go and have a look at the artist. I like that. It reminds me a bit of Paprika. the anime. These are nice as well. Look at her fingers, look, she's like, look, she's crossing her fingers. I like that. Spider-Man, look. Oh, that's cool as well. That looks a little bit like Arcane. She's cool, look. This is brilliant, isn't it? We've got like sort of crazy, we've got beautiful, we've got action, and then we've got characterful. I like this one here, look. I'm really liking this character. I like the what's it called? The attitude of that one. And now we've got like sort of realistic, scary. Dustin. Dustin from Stranger Things. You don't see many Dustins, do you? I wonder why that. I like that. It's got a sort of Studio Ghibli vibe about it. The Rookies! World Builders. Oh, cool. I like these. That's weird though, isn't it? They got no faces, look. I always like it when you get a human with an animal, like for me it's almost as if that's like the spirit animal of the character. Beautiful poses here, look. Look at the gesture in that. This is cool. There's loads of really interesting different styles here. Yay! Look, 2 cats. Imagine having a cat on your desk. It'd be quite funny. Look, a little bit of advertising here. Look, that's quite clever. Olga Andriyenko. It's a bit like a witch. I like that. They got one of the things I got. I got one of those clipboard things. Yeah, she's cool, she is. Yeah, I reckon she is some sort of like, I reckon she's into like cosplay. I get the impression she would dress up as a witch. That's what I'm thinking. She's got a very cool setup. Cool characters as well. Hey look, a merman. It's quite funny. Her art reminds me a bit of Simone Grunewald. That's a cool setup, isn't it? Look at that. I like that. Letters! United we stand. Magic the Gathering, look. Magic the Gathering cards. It's cool, isn't it? I wonder how many artists have created Magic the Gathering cards. Probably like thousands, I suppose. Sketchbook of Somnath Pal. Huh, it's a bit weird, isn't it? Froggies. Oh, these are very interesting shapes. Oh, I wish they did more females. I'd like to see these. I'd like to see this style as a female. But they've done one female. Oh, see, I want to look into this artist. That's their website address, look. That's their Instagram. Hopefully you can see that. I've actually played around with the settings on my camera, so I'm doing a manual focus now, because it kept losing focus. Fishies. Yeah, they've got a nice sort of weight to their characters. I just wish they had done some Yay! All the female characters are covering their faces though. That's interesting. Look at that, look. Workshops. I like that one. I love the energy of that pose. Because look, even though that thing is like, you know, trying to intimidate her, she ain't gonna back down. And look at that for a powerful, that's amazing, isn't it? You can feel the, like the energy there, just in that little thumbnail thingy. I love that. That's cool. Who's the artist here? Toby Willsmer. Yeah, that for me. I love that. So much has been said in that pose. Cool as well, look. Cool character. Develop a character. Yi Jin. Oh, cool. Look at that name, look. Is it Yi Jin or Yi Jin? She's cool, she is. I can imagine like a group of these characters. I quite like that one. I like how they've done that, playing around with the weapons. I quite like that one. What's this here, look? Scale new heights. Little people at the top. Some sort of, oh yeah, look. It's a futuristic, some sort of futuristic mining thing. He's nice. AI tools. Ah, this is interesting. I've started looking into AI tools because what happened was SVS Learn were talking about it, and I found myself sort of judging it. So I thought instead of doing that, I should have a look into it. So I played around with it the other day. It's very interesting. Movie Mex. Here's our reviews, look. Unreal Engine 5. X-Men. Batman. Traditional. Who likes the traditional? FX Pose, look. I like that. Oh, yeah. Paint a magical fantasy battle. It's another Magic the Gathering. Oh, that's nice as well, look. That's like the same. I like that. Here he is, look. I like the way the shadows are on that. I like the way he's got the shadow of himself in there as well. Almost like it's his shadow that's painting and drawing. Imagine if the shadow started moving on its own. What would you do if that happened? Like you're sitting here doing something and suddenly your shadow starts moving on its own. That's a bit weird, that. Because it looks like a photograph. There's a Willy there. Naughty Willies. We don't like Willys around here. That's interesting. First impressions. It's quite funny, him. I find it quite funny they end with first impressions. What do I think about that one? I think the first half of it was my favourite half. I felt like there's so much stuff in there that's cool. But for me, the second half, I wasn't sort of, I wasn't like, yeah, some of these are cool though. That one there, that's the best thing, I think. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was a look at ImagineFX magazine issue number 219 for the month of December 2022.